Hey, third grade. Today is Wednesday, and we're going to be going over our unit assessment that we took yesterday, okay? So I'm going to go through a couple questions, and then I'm going to give you like a little brain break, and then I'll go through a couple more questions. And then to receive extra credit on your assessment from yesterday for some like makeup points, you guys are going to have a Google form to fill out with questions that are similar to what was on your unit assessment, okay? I'm not going to go over every single question, just because of time, but I'm going to go over the ones that were the most missed questions, and the ones that I already knew were going to be a little bit challenging for you guys, okay? So let me switch my screen over. All right. I'm going to start with, well, first of all, I'm going to start with this one, and I'm just going to quickly do it. I'm not going to go through all of the steps, but I will go through all of the steps on the other problem, okay? It says, during basketball season, Taylor spends 4 hours each week practicing her shots. If the season lasts 9 weeks, how many hours will Taylor spend practicing her shots during the season? How many hours will Taylor spend practicing her shots during the season? Okay, so ideally, you guys did a UPS check on your paper, okay? And you worked out all of the steps, okay? But because of the sake of time, and I want to spend time on another problem, I'm not going to go through all of this, okay? This is a multiplication problem. And you would have had 9 boxes on the bottom. Sorry. You would have had 9 boxes on the bottom, and each one of those would have represented a week. Okay? A week. Then she practices 4 hours. So there would have been a 4 in each box. Okay? This is 9 weeks times 4 hours, which equals 36 hours. So the correct answer to that one was letter C, okay? Now, this is one that I want to spend a little bit more, I want to spend some more time on this one. All right? Farmer Brown planted a total of 56 potato plants in 7 rows. He planted the same number of potato plants in each row. How many potato plants are in each row? Okay? How many potato plants are in each row? Well, there's 2 things that we need to know about in this problem. Okay, and let me get a piece of paper because I need an extra one. There's 2 things that we need to know. Okay, I'm going to do my UPS check here. I need to know something about potato plants in each row. I know he planted the same number of potato plants in each row. He has 56 potato plants and 7 rows. Okay? So when I'm working out this problem, I'm going to use my, I'm going to show you how to use the which operation chart. Okay, so he planted a total of 56 potato plants. Do you have a total? Yes, you do. It just told you what your total was, okay? You do have a total. That's a yes, okay? Do you have equal parts or groups? Well, could one of these in our problem be equal parts or groups? Yeah, my rows, my 7 rows would be my equal parts or groups. So I do have equal parts or groups, yes. So we are dividing. Okay. There is my strip diagram. We just said that we do have a total, 56 potato plants, and I have 7 rows. There's my 7 rows. Row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5, row 6, row 7, okay? I want to know, the question is asking me how many potato plants are in each row. There are blank potato plants in each row. This right here is what we're trying to figure out. So do I know how many goes in each box? No, you're right. I don't know how many goes in each box. Okay, good job. So I don't know how many goes in each box. And we said, what operation is this? Yes, we said that this was division. Well, based off of my strip diagram, 56 divided by what? Good. 56 potato plants divided by 7 rows equals a blank number of potatoes in each row. Okay? Well, how do I solve this? There's lots of different ways that you could solve this problem. Okay? I'm going to build an array because I like building arrays. Okay? I know that I have 7 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you're just going to keep counting as you put your array together. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. There's 56, and I've made my array. I have my 7 rows. Now, how many do we have in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 potatoes in each row, all right? And then you would have checked your problem. And the correct answer here was letter J, okay? I'm going to do one more problem for you guys, and then I'm going to give you a little bit of a brain break. Okay, Yolanda and Martha can each type 9 words per minute. How many words can both girls type in 3 minutes? Okay, how many words can both girls type in 3 minutes? All right, well, I know that Yolanda and Martha each type 9 words per minute. Okay? I don't think I need another piece of paper. I have enough room here. So I'm going to write my question in a statement form. It should say both girls can type blank words in 3 minutes. All right? Now I need to do my strip diagram. Well, I know that I have 2 girls, 1 girl and 2 girls, and they can each type 9 words. So you could have done your strip diagram different ways, okay? This is Yolanda, and this is going to be Martha, okay? Yolanda can type 9 words per minute. Martha can also type 9 words per minute. All right? So, do I have a total here? And if I don't, what am I going to be figuring out? I don't have a total, so I'm going to be figuring out my total. Good job. I know some of you said that, okay? And what is my total going to tell me? Good. My total is going to tell me total number of words from both girls in 1 minute. So this right here is going to give me the total number of words that both girls can type in 1 minute. So what operation is this? Do we have a total? No, we don't. We're figuring that out. Do I have equal parts or groups? And if I do, what are they? Good. I heard some of you say that. Yes, we do have equal parts or groups, and the equal parts or the equal groups are going to be my girls. So that's a multiplication problem. So I'm going to multiply 9 words times 2 girls equals words. Okay? Looks like Miss Garza is going to need an extra sheet of paper. This is only my understand part of the problem. Okay? And then I can do my second strip diagram. So once I get my total number of words that both of these girls can type in 1 minute, that's the number of words they can type in 1 minute. Or sorry, this is going to be 3 minutes because both girls can type in 3 minutes. So this is what the question is asking me to find. Then I'm going to do in how many minutes? 3. Okay? This is minute 1, minute 2, minute 3. All right? This box right here is going to be the number of words in 1 minute, number of words 2 minutes, number of, sorry, that's 1 minute. I'm sorry. This is the number of words in 1 minute, this is the number of words in 1 minute, and this is the number of words in 1 minute, okay? So each of these boxes represents the number of words in 1 minute, and then the big box, the group, represents the number of words or the number of minutes that the question is wanting you to figure out, okay? And then so this is going to be this strip diagram. Looks just like this strip diagram. We don't have a total, but we have equal groups. And then here we don't have a total, but we have equal groups. So I know that I'm going to be multiplying a number of words times 3 minutes equals a number of words. Okay? Oops. So let me solve this first step. 9 words. 9 times 2 equals 9 plus 9 equals 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 9 times 2 equals 18. So the girls together, Yolanda and Martha, together type a total of 18 words. Okay? And then that 18 is going to go down here. All right? And it goes here. Because I'm going to take those total number of words. So both of those girls together type 18 words in 1 minute, and I want to know how many words they both type in 3 minutes. So I'm going to do 18, 18, 18, which is 18 times 3. (18 times 3 equals, okay, I'm going to decompose this problem, this multiplication problem, into 10 times 3, because I have 110, plus 8 times 3, because I have 8 ones. 10 times 3 is 30. 8 times 3, what's 8 times 3? Good job. I know some of you said it. It's 24, which equals 54 words. Okay? So the correct answer for this problem was letter D. All right, I know that this video was really long, and so thank you for sticking with me. You have a little bit of a brain break, and then I have another video for you guys to watch going over 2 more problems.